Good evening, students. We'll continue the remaining problems of the inverse trigonometry. Question number 30 completed yesterday previous class. Next 31. If cot inverse n by pi greater than or equal to pi by 6, n belongs to natural number. What is n value? Okay. So this can be written as n by pi greater than or equal to cot pi by 6. Cot pi by 6 value cos 30. This is root 3. n greater than pi into root 3. This value 3.14. This is 1.72. Approximately that value is equal to 5.19. So n greater than, n belongs to n above 5.19, that is nothing but 6. They ask then n is equal to 6. Right. Second option. Next, cot inverse 2 plus root 3. We know the table compulsory, remember this one, 15 degrees, 75 degrees of compulsory, you learn this also, sin, cos, tan and cot. Important formulas, root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. This is equal to root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. This reverse. For cos 15 this one, cos 75 this one. Next tan like this, 2 minus root 3, 2 plus root 3. Like this, 2 plus root 3 for cot 15 and cot 75 is equal to 2 minus root 3. Therefore, cot inverse 2 plus root 3 is cot 15. This is cot 15 value is 2 plus root 3. So, in terms of radians, that is pi by 12. Pi by 12 is the correct answer. So, 180 by 12, how many times? 96, 45, 3, so 15. So, that implies direct option cot pi by, that is pi by 12. Cot inverse 2 plus root 3 value is equal to pi by 12. Next 33. Range of tan inverse 2x by 1 plus x square. Suppose this is the function f of x. Let y is equal to 2x by 1 plus x square. They ask range. First of all, find domain of x, that is nothing but range of this one. So first of all, you multiply y into 1 plus x square is equal to 2x, x square y minus 2x plus y is equal to 0. So it has a real roots. So discriminant greater than or equal to 0. Okay. What is its discriminant? So that means what? Compare with ax square plus bx plus c. A is equal to y, b is equal to minus 2, c is equal to y. That implies 4 minus 4 into y greater than or equal to 0. The value 4 take that side. So 1 minus y square. So y square minus 1 less than or equal to 0, minus apply. Inequality reverse. That implies y plus 1 into y minus 1 less than or equal to 0. So that implies equal means equal, that is otherwise this one minus 1 less than y less than 1. So what is y? This one. Apply for this tan. Minus tan inverse minus 1 less than tan inverse y. Y means this one. 2x by 1 plus x square less than tan inverse 1. So that implies pi by 4. This is minus pi by 4 to pi by 4. So equal symbol also it techniques. Second option. Second option is the correct answer. Minus pi by 4 to plus pi by 4. So use concept of this discriminant. Right. Next, if sine inverse 1 by 2 is equal to theta, they ask theta value. At what value 1 by 2? 1 by 2 means in terms of sine 30 degrees. 30 degrees means pi by 6. Direct option, third option. The domain of the inverse trigonometric function sine inverse is 35. What is domain of sine inverse x? Sine inverse x domain is minus 1 comma 1. Is minus 1 comma 1. But in the problem is given minus a comma b. Compare with this one. Compare with this one. Minus a is equal to minus 1. A is equal to 1. B is equal to 1. They ask the value of a plus b. A plus b is equal to 1 plus 1. 2. Third option. Next, 36. Consider the graph of sin inverse x and tan inverse x. Do the graph satisfy any property of symmetry? Symmetry means left side and the right side look like same. Otherwise, by folding a paper about the line or about the point, left side, right side, same shape. That is nothing but a symmetry. And options are odd, even, either even or odd, neither even nor odd. First of all, you know about even function or odd function. That is nothing but f of minus x is equal to f of x is nothing but even function. F of minus x is equal to minus f of x is nothing but that is odd function. By using trigonometric, for example, you take trigonometric functions, sin x, sin of minus sin x, it is odd function. Cos of minus x, cos x, even function. Tan of minus x, minus tan x, odd function. X square, minus x whole square, same. X square, even function. X cube, minus of x cube, so minus x cube. F of x is equal to minus of this odd function. F of x is equal to f of minus x is equal to f of x is nothing but even function. First you understand that even function and odd function. They ask consider the graph of sin inverse x and tan inverse x. Suppose this is the sine graph actually. Okay, this is 3 pi by 2 pi 2 pi minus pi by 2 minus pi. This is 1 minus 1 1. So on like this. This is the sine graph. Tan graph infinite at pi by 2 at minus pi by 2 like this one. This is the tan graph. Okay, right, we'll see. For example, if take sine graph, symmetry about this point origin. Okay, suppose cos graph like this one, cos graph. This is symmetry about y-axis. Symmetry about y-axis is nothing but even function. This is odd function. So symmetry about y-axis is the odd function. So we'll see sin inverse x graph. Sin inverse x. Okay, this is sin inverse x graph. So this also symmetry about origin. Symmetry about origin now. Symmetry about the point. This is hard function. See, tan. Clear, students? So this is tan inverse x graph. This is cos sin inverse x graph. Both graphs symmetry about the origin. Therefore, these two are the odd function. First option, symmetry about the origin. Next, 37. Cos inverse a by b is equal to 2 tan inverse a by b. Okay, we will try this problem. 2 tan inverse x formula in terms of right cos inverse. Cos inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. Both sides cos inverse remove and find a and b value. A plus b find. Okay, do this homework. Next, 38. X is equal to sin inverse k, y is equal to cos inverse k. What is the relation? Directly in options, third option x plus y. X plus y is equal to sin inverse x plus cos inverse x. What is the answer? Y by 2. So third option is correct. Direct answer. Direct bit. Next, 38. 38 complete. 39. Sin inverse 5 by x plus sin inverse 12 by x is equal to pi by 2. Then x is equal to, in synopsis given formulas. What are the formulas means? In synopsis, sin inverse x plus sin inverse y is equal to pi by 2. Then x square plus y square is equal to 1. Then x square plus y square is equal to 1. So what is x square? That is 5 by x whole square. You know, sin inverse x plus sin inverse y is equal to pi by 2 by proving, apply sin inverse x plus sin inverse y formula with proof, we get answer x square plus y square is equal to 1. So what is x here? X is 5 by x whole square plus 12 by x whole square is equal to 1. 25 by x square plus 144 by x square is equal to 1. That implies x square is LCM say 25 plus 144 is equal to 1. 169 is equal to x square. X is equal to 13. So that is the answer. Third option. Or else one more method you try means when sin inverse x some sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2 actually. Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Okay, clear? But in place of cos inverse x, what is there? Means sin inverse 5 by x plus sin inverse 12 by x is equal to pi by 2. In place of cos inverse pi by x, in place of cos inverse pi by x is equal to what is there? Sin inverse 12 by x. Anyone you can change, either this or that change, will get answer x is equal to say 30. Like this method also can apply. Right. 40. Sin inverse A plus sin inverse B plus sin inverse C is equal to pi. then the value of a into 1 minus a square plus b into 1 minus b square plus c into 1 minus c square will be, okay, one second synopsis. Sin inverse x plus sin inverse y plus sin inverse z is equal to pi. Then x of 1 minus x square plus y of 1 minus y square plus z of 1 minus z square is equal to 2 times of x y z. 2 times of x y z. So depend on that one what is, remember this type of some problems will get direct answers to ABC. Actually that is to ABC. We'll see that explain once. How means letter, that is direct answer by the synopsis. First option to ABC. Okay, let it be A. This implies small a is equal to sin A. Sin inverse b is equal to small b. This implies small b is equal to sin b. Sin inverse c is equal to capital C. So means that implies c is equal to sin c. What is given problem? A of 1 minus a square plus b of, this means a plus, this means what? A plus b plus c is equal to pi. Pi means 180 degrees. B of 1 minus b square. C of 1 minus c square value how much? A means sin A. 1 minus sin square A. Cos square A. Root of cos square cos. Therefore directly write sin A cos A. B means sin B. 1 minus sin square B. Cos square B. Root cos square B cos B. Therefore sin B cos B. C means sin C. 1 minus c square sin c square. 1 minus sin c square cos c square cos c. Therefore cos. Okay. So multiply and divide with the 2 with each term. 2 sin A cos A. 2 sin B cos B. 2 sin C cos C. Okay. 1 by 2. 2 sin A cos A formula sin 2A sin 2B sin 2C. We apply transformation formulas. 8 transformation formulas we know. Sin x plus sin y. 2 sin x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2. This is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. Or this apply these two. 2 sin x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2. Sin 2c can be written as, okay, sin 2c afterwards we split. Right. This is equal to 1 by 2. 2 common, 2 cancel. That implies 2 sin A plus B into cos A minus B. Okay. Sin 2c. 1 by 2. 2 sin. In place of A plus B, I will write A plus B is equal to pi minus C. Our choice. Depend on problem, we can convert. Sin 180. A plus B plus pi minus C. Pi minus C means 180 minus C. 180 minus C means sin C into cos A minus B. Sin 2C can be written as 2 sin C cos C. That implies 1 by 2. In these two terms, 2 sin C common. 2 sin C right outside. Remaining cos A minus B plus cos C. C can be written as, and C can be written as pi minus A plus B. Pi minus A plus B. 2 cancel. Sin C. Okay. Cos A minus B. 180 minus theta minus cos A plus B. Okay. Formula is there. Cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. 2 sin A sin B. 2 sin A sin B. That implies 2 sin A sin B sin C. What is sin A? Sin A is equal to A. That implies 2ABC. This is the answer like this. Okay, in the synopsis formula is there, direct remember, otherwise proving like this one. So 2ABC is the answer. Which is answer? First option is the correct answer. Right. Tan inverse 2 and tan inverse 3 are the two triangles, and third point is third angle. Try this problem 41. Next one 42. Cos inverse x greater than sin inverse x, then okay, cos inverse x greater than sin inverse x. Cos inverse x can be written as pi by 2 minus y, means by the formula sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Sin inverse x, cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2 minus sin inverse x. Okay, that implies pi by 2 greater than sin inverse, take the side, sin inverse plus sin inverse 2 sin inverse x, 2 sin inverse x. Therefore sin inverse x less than pi by 4, sin inverse x less than, okay, pi by 4, x less than 1 by root 2. Which option? Sin inverse x range means domain minus 1 to 1. That implies minus 1 less than or equal to x less than 1 by root 2. So fourth option is the correct answer. Right? Next, 4 cos inverse x plus sin inverse x is equal to pi. Then the value of x. We will try this problem. Okay. Next, 44. Cos of sin inverse 12 by 13 minus tan inverse 16 by 12 is equal to a by b, where a and b are positive co-prime integers. What is the value of a plus? Co-prime means they have no common factor. Right. Okay. A by b value we want. Let it be, this is a and this is b. Sin inverse 12 by 13 is equal to a. Sin a is equal to 12 by 13. Take triangle 12 13 by the Pythagorean triplet. This is a, so this is pi. Next, tan inverse 16 by 12 is equal, let it be b. 16 by 12 is means tan b is equal to 16 by 12. Take triangle for this also. Tan means 16 by 12. Okay, by the plate both 16 square 256 plus 144 400, square root of 420. Right. Okay, we want this is nothing but cos a minus b is equal to a by b. What is cos a minus b? From this first you find cos a. What is cos a? 5 by 13. From this, what is sin a? Sin b. Sin b 16 by 20. Cos b 12 by 20. Next, therefore cos a minus b is equal to a by b. Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b is equal to a by b. Right? Cos a value 5 by 13 into cos b value 12 by 20 minus sin a value 12 by 13 into sin b value 16 by 20 is equal to a by b. Okay, don't cancel this value as it is you write 13 into 20, 5 12s, 60 minus 16 12s. Alright, so cancel also, no problem. 2 8s, 2 10s, 2 6, 2 10s. Enough. Then LCM is 13 into 10, 5 6, 30 minus 18, 96 is equal to a by b. Clear? Cos A 5 by 13 and cos B, sorry, formula wrong. Cos A minus B formula, cos A cos B plus sin A sin A, right? 90, 126, 126, 13 into 10, two table, 2 6 and 2 3s, 2 5s. So then 63 by 65 is equal to a by b. They are co-prime numbers. Therefore a plus b is equal to 65 plus 63, 8, 128. Therefore second option is the correct answer. And next 45, which of the following is equal to tan inverse 1? Direct answer, third option. Okay students, inverse trigonometry completed. Next chapter will start limits.